This is my unboxing video for the Multifunctional Portable Clothes Dryer. So this is a 4-in-1 unit. As you can see, it's a clothes dryer, it's a warm air blower, a fan and a sterilizer. So it's all 4 things in one. Inside the box we get the unit. This has power buttons on the top. And these are the arms that you hang your clips off of. It comes with a bag that goes over the clothing and fits around the top of the unit here to dry things faster. It also comes with a plush velvet carry case. Very good quality, well made. As you can see, it comes with its own hanging hook, so this fits into the holes on the side. I'm not using this presently because we're about to get ready to go on holiday. We've got the instruction manual, which is fully comprehensive and explains everything you need to know, and finally the lead, which is a good 2 meters. This plugs in to the back of the machine here. Very happily recommending.